Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at something different. This is a vacuum. Um, it's from Brigii, and there you have a bit more information. Handheld vacuum MX30, rated input 5 volts to 2 ampere, 65 watts power, lithium battery 22.2, and yeah, it comes with accessories as well. So you get the multi-surface tool, a 2-in-1 brush nozzle, a base, a Type-C charger. Okay, let's have a look. Brigii makes life simpler. Nice. So that's the vacuum itself. We're gonna have a look in just a second. Let me just remove the instructions and the accessories and put this aside so we have some space. Cool. So you get the manual, and then this presents all the accessories. So okay, I really like that it comes with the base, so you can have it like this, and then you can also have the accessories in the same way. We'll look at the accessories in just a second. And they give you a nice long charging cable. It's Type-C, which is good. So let's have a look at the multi-surface tool. It is like this. It's made of plastic, hard plastic, and then you have this little material kind of mesh to prevent yourself from scratching the surface. Then we get the 2-in-1 brush nozzle. So as you can see, it has a little clip in here. Okay, so it looks like with this one you can take it up, so you could use it just like that, or you can use the brush as well. So it's nice that they thought about that. And yeah, that's kind of it. Let's have a look a bit at the vacuum itself. That's how you open it. It has a little rubber seal around the edge. Then this is the filter, which you can remove as well by the looks of it. Maybe. Let's just have a quick look at the instructions. See what we can do, what we can't. Doesn't say in here, maybe it says in here. Yeah, so you probably can definitely remove this. Yeah. That's your filter. Nice rubber seal in here as well. And that's inside. Make sure nothing goes in there, because that's how you destroy it. And I don't think you can remove more from here. Cool, so I'll put this back. As you can see, it has it needs to be aligned like so, and then you rotate in place and it stays there. So that's locked. Okay, let's put this back. Again, make sure you align it properly. Yep, now it's in place. Let's see if we can do it a bit better than that, because obviously it's not straight. Okay, that's it. Now this is straight. So make sure that's in position in there. So let's have a listen. I'll put it closer to my microphone so you can hear. As you can see inside, it has a little rubber seal, and that will prevent anything from going in when it's not in use. And as soon as the suction is on, it releases that little rubber seal. So yeah, that's the that's how it sounds. That's where you charge it. That's where the USB-C port is. I'm not sure how long the battery lasts, but the suction is really good. I'll show you again. The only thing is, you see when you turn it on, if you just press, doesn't do anything. You have to press and hold, and then it has a delay. You see? Yeah, I have to say the suction force is really good. Let me just have a quick look if it says how long the battery will last. Okay, guys, so it looks like the built-in battery, it's a 2000 milliampere lithium battery, and it's been tested for 500 charging cycle tests. So obviously more than that, it's probably gonna stop working as well. There's it provides up to 20 minutes of powerful cleaning. It fully charges in about 4 hours using the Type-C port. And what is really good is like it has a brushless motor inside, which spins at speeds up to 80,000 rotations per minute. Yeah, and it's it also, that filter that I've showed you earlier, it's a HEPA filter. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the Brigii MX30. I really like the design of it. It's not heavy, but it has a little bit of weight to it. And I think this will be brilliant for cleaning your desk, or maybe let's say you drop something on the floor and you just want to clean that area quickly enough. Keep it away from water. Make sure you charge it in temperatures, I think estimated in the manual. If it's hot, don't charge it. Wait until it cools down, and then you can charge it. And don't leave it connected to the charger for more than 24 hours, they say. So yeah, thank you for watching.